Yeah, another fishing day again. Another fishing day again, guys. Alright, so we're just leaving out, you know. Seafood man, walk around, man.
Yeah.
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 Right over this is a jammerel. This is where we dock the boat, you know. So we're heading out, so. Another kingfish day again, you know. Yeah. I don't even know if it's kingfish or a jack or a tarpon. But whatever comes, we catch him.
Yeah. We're on the hunting again.
Yeah, hunting.
Anyway, I want to big up some people still.
Yeah.
I want to big up some people still. Came our Johns and him brother named Jason. Big up on yourself. And also big up Jason Douglas. You don't know what about we go up on the kingfish hunting same way. And Jack, you know. Maybe top and pass through, we still try a thing, you know.
And big up his sister in Dana, you know. I don't know, you have to big up Dana sometime, you know. There's a pair of male, we see on it. It's only female that we see right now. Yeah. Well, probably more female that still know, but we don't take note of the name. But guess what? I'm not big up those 2 or 3 or 4 somebody now. I big up all 827 subscribers.
Yes, man.
You have to big up everybody, you know, because guess what? We not leave out nobody. We might can't remember the name right now. Yes. Off the top of our head. But guess what? You have to big up everybody, see me.
Yeah, man.
So big up 827 subscribers.
Kosem.
Oh, big up my friend Kosem, man, from Trinidad. Yeah, big up yourself. And TK.
Big up, Dominic out of Netherlands. Right? Dominic out of Netherlands, straight.
Yeah, man, and TK, my friend from Trinidad. Big up yourself. And everybody else, 827 subscribers. We appreciate the support. Continue watching and subscribing. As we reach out, we show you what we're going. Alright, so we soon come back.
Bless up yourself.
Respect everybody. Boy, I see for man hook up in the right head. Come watch man. Gonna fish that. Jack?
Yeah, feel like a jack.
Like the red and the gaff. See man?
Nice, nice. See that? Hold on. Not even a gaff him. Hold on.
You know, just take him up out of the water, man. Huh? Don't juke him. Yeah, him get hooked good, man. What him good doing? Just flash out the hand. Yeah. Hold him up in front of the camera. You arrest him. I can't read him the rights now because guess what? The kingfish alone read the rights now because them alone bite off your hand and bite off your foot.
Small. She feel like a 4 pound.
Yeah, about a 4 pound jack. It's nice still, nice jack.
Yeah, nice jack, nice jack.
And the jack man that in them have a seal. See him there?
Yeah.
See him?
Yeah? For the lure. Brand new
Brand
lure.
new.
Just put on the lure now. Uzuri. You see the colour?
Man, nice
just take it out of the pack a while ago. Brand new lure.
Good one, good one.
Catch, yeah?
Nice jack. Alright people, so come back to you now. But I don't know hook up on about something more than almost I'm gonna want lizard fish in there, wait you. Take up that first step on the Kevin. Take up that fish there.
Hook up a lizard fish again?
It looks about it.
Lizard fish to hold on.
A lizard?
Yeah, lizard fish. No. A little mackerel.
Can I fish this man? Come like him go on your line too. Alright, you take up here. Just. I want a little jack.
Yo, the bigger one.
Now, can you believe this, people? Look at this. Eh?
Yeah, watch it.
A blue runner and a lure.
Watch it. It's on.
Better, yeah, it's on, man.
Watch it. The bait half the size of the blue runner.
Boy, I had them things here going, you know. Alright, pull him off because we have to go. I use him for bait, man.
Use him for, oh, yeah, kingfish.
Kingfish bait.
Yeah, kingfish bait, listen now. Wait, set up a stinger rig or something.
Hold on, put some water in that.
Live bait, guys.
Yeah, live bait. We're going to use that for live bait, kingfish.
Yeah, blue runner.
Yeah, put him in that. Yeah, so we're going to use him as live bait, see? Live yeah.
Bait. Live bait. You know, say, them small jack, them catch on, say, no?
Time to hook up 2 more.